Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Today, key indexes were mostly down. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,917.40, down 59.5 points. It showed a mixed positive trend despite a downward breakout after 3 days of stability. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite Index experienced downward volatility, closing at 23,255.19, falling 336.92 points. The Russell 2000 Index bucked today's trend, rising to 2,648.50, up 8.21 points, closing up for the second consecutive day with a very strong positive trend. Looking at market breadth, we see advances and declines varying across indexes. The S&P 500 index saw 269 advances against 222 decliners, despite closing down 59.5 points. The Nasdaq Composite Index, which experienced a significant drop, had 1,249 stocks advancing, but was outweighed by 1,716 decliners. Assessing daily and total returns, the Dow 30 Index managed a positive week-to-date total return of 0.71%. In comparison, the Russell 2000 Index showed a stronger week-to-date total return of 1.33%. Meanwhile, the S&P 400 Mid-Cap Index maintained a very strong positive trend, despite being flat in recent days. Stepping into the best-performing sectors, the energy sector surged to a new all-time high, climbing 3.2% to close at 795.90. Basic materials also hit new heights, up 2%, while consumer defensive followed suit, gaining 1.7%. Now turning to the underperforming sectors, technology faced strong downward volatility, closing at 5,491.95, down 2.1%. Communication services and healthcare sectors similarly faced declines, registering falls of 1.2% and 1% respectively. Finally, in global markets, Mexico and South Korea led performances. Mexico jumped 4.4%, reaching a new all-time higher close, while South Korea rose by 2.8%. Chile and Poland also demonstrated strong gains, each maintaining very strong positive trends. Regarding returns, South Korea has realized a year-to-date total return of 27.87%. Similarly, Chile reported a robust year-to-date return of 16.81%. Overall, these global markets are benefiting from very strong positive trends. Today, the technology darlings largely showed downside movements. Apple closed down at 269.48, experiencing some upward volatility over the past 3 days. Alphabet also closed lower at 340.70, but maintains a very strong positive trend despite some strong upward volatility today. Amazon finished at 238.62, breaking downward after a period of flat prices. Meta Platforms decreased to 691.70, continuing a 3-day closure downturn with a mixed positive trend. Lastly, Nvidia ended at 180.32, being the most affected with a significant decrease and strong downward volatility.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is experiencing a strong downtrend today, currently at 76,457.98, with a drop of 208.87. It's almost at a 1-year low. Meanwhile, Ethereum is at 2,300.21, losing 44.90, with a strong downward trend as well. In today's crypto returns, Dogecoin is showing notable resilience, up 0.46% and marking gains this month. In contrast, Bitcoin leads losses, down 2,208.87, with a year-to-date decline of 12.62%. It's a challenging day for major cryptos, driven by sustained bearish pressures.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently trading lower against major world currencies. The US dollar-euro pair is at 0.8454, down by 0.0026, showing a very strong negative trend. The US dollar-British pound pair is at 0.7298, dropping 0.0018, and has been flat for 3 days. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar is up slightly at 155.7360, but maintains a mixed negative trend. Meanwhile, the Swiss franc saw the dollar fall to 0.7751, decreasing by 0.0044. Lastly, the Australian dollar has witnessed a drop, bringing the pair to 1.4228, amid a strong negative trend.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.